Children, today I shall tell you about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder ADHD. What is this? ये क्या है? आप इसके बारे में देखेंगे थोड़ा. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is a group of behavioral symptoms. Symptom means a sign, a token that includes inattentiveness, hyperactivity and impulsiveness. इम्पल्सिवनेस का मतलब है फोर्स सडनली कम्युनिकेटेड. इनफैक्ट वास्तव में इट इज ए मेडिकल कंडीशन दैट अफेक्ट्स हाउ वेल कैन समवन सिट स्टिल, फोकस ऑन, पे अटेंशन समथिंग. जनरली ADHD affected children have different in the parts of their brains and control activity and attention. It means that such individuals may have some problem focusing on some activities. They may be hyperactive or may be unable to control their impulses. So you will pay attention about it. Now I shall tell you about the symptoms of ADHD. What are the sign or token or symptoms of ADHD? So I shall disclose you, please pay attention. There are different symptoms of ADHD in children and adults which are stated below. First of all, symptoms in children. Symptoms in children. What are the symptoms to be found in children nowadays? We have seen that. Number one, they usually forget about daily activities. This is the first symptom in children. They usually forget to do the homework and other activities. They forget. Second one, they have difficulties in organizing routine activities. It means they are unable to control the daily activities in a routine way. They usually indulge in daydreaming. Daydreaming means they used to play whole the day but they did not perform any activities. This is given by the controller. Next one, they are easily distracted. वे आसानी से डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, काम से विमुख हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, दे यूजुअली बाउंस व्हेन सिटिंग. जब भी वो बैठते हैं, हो गया. सिम्टम्स इन चिल्ड्रन का मतलब नेक्स्ट वन है दे बिकम रेस्टलेस. वे बेचैन हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट दे बिकम रेस्टलेस. वो हमेशा परेशान रहते हैं. They have some problem in playing quietly. In the outdoor games or indoor games, they feel some of hindrances, problems to play with them. Next one is they usually talk excessively. वो बहुत बाचाल होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की आदत होती है. They do not pay attention and usually make careless mistakes. वो किसी पर ध्यान नहीं देते और जनरल वे में अपनी वो मिस्टेक्स करते रहते हैं. Now symptoms in adult. May I take this one or next one? Dear children, whatever I have taught you, write this video in your fair notebook and come to school and check it. You are welcome. Thanks. Have a nice day.